It is a harsh reality that many traders don't want to talk about. The most painful thing is quitting forex trading after you have lost a lot of money in the market. You wake up one morning, you took a trade last night, and you are in deep reds. You are in a red. For God's sakes, you are always having your trades in red. Your MT4 seems to love the color red more than any other color. You're asking yourself every morning when you wake up and check your MT4, you want to see trades floating in blues like other traders that you see on YouTube. You've seen other traders floating maybe 2,000 rands, $1,500, let's say 1,000 pounds, okay? You're seeing traders floating trades in deep blues. Traders like you, average traders like you. And you ask yourself this question every single time. Why is it that whenever I take trades, I am always ending up in this dilemma? I'm always losing. Even if I find a setup that is good, I've even had traders who have learned ICT, who have learned smart money concepts, who have learned many things, hedging strategies, okay, and many other types of trading strategies. I've had these traders coming to me or contacting me, and they've said to me, some of them have written me emails. You can imagine some traders even from countries like Malaysia, countries like Singapore. I've even had a trader from Brazil. These traders have written to me on different occasions with different reasons, and they've actually asked me what they can do to become profitable. Some of these traders have been trading for 6 years, 6 good years. Some of them have been trading for 4 years. Some of them have been trading for 3 years. And there's this particular trader that contacted me, from Singapore. He told me he has done everything. He has studied ICT, including the ICT mentorship course of 2022, even the one for 2023. But he does not seem to find his feet. Every time he enters at a fair value gap or whatever, or an order block, according to the strategy that he learned from ICT, he finds his stop being hunted. Even if he tries to use smart money concepts, he seems to be like the Jonah of the forex market. You guys know what I mean when I say the Jonah of the forex market, okay? Every time he is in a trade, the trade is always getting into red. In red, no matter what he does, it can show him a few dollars in profit, then quickly reverses and stops him out. And sometimes it tries to hold the trade hoping that it will go back into profit, but it ends up hitting his stop. That is not the only trader going through the troubles that traders go through. Guys, the hardest truth that you can ever hear from a trader is about quitting forex trading. And that is the harsh reality that I've got from some of the people who are viewing this channel. I'm here to talk to you guys in this raw video. I just wanted to talk to you guys in this video to try to explain to you guys the harsh reality of forex trading and how difficult forex trading can become. Okay? I know some of you have come into the market. You're maybe 6 months into the market, 1 year into the market, and you seem to be like complaining, or you're complaining all the time that you're not yet profitable, you're not making money, and you think that it is that easy that you come in 3-4 months and you're already a profitable trader. You've bought an Audi R8, you have maybe a BMW M4, M3, or you've bought a Mercedes-Benz G63, right? That's what you think forex trading is all about. But forex trading can quickly humble you. it can quickly humble you if you come at it with that kind of heat and that kind of speed. Now, myself have quit forex trading several times. I quit forex trading several times. Not once, not twice, not even 5 times. So many times. I would quit forex trading for a month, come back again, trade, get frustrated, quit for 2 months, come back, trade, get frustrated, quit for 4 months. In my beginning year of trading, that is how I was. Because I just didn't seem to understand why and how these forex traders that I see on YouTube making money, these ones I see on Instagram making money. And I would ask myself, how are these people able to get accurate entries whereby when they enter their trades simply go in a very small drawdown for a very short time, maybe for 30 minutes or so. And then from then, the trades reverse and go into deep blues. They go into deep profits. Okay. I would wonder. And my only desire was to make $500 a month. That was my only desire when I started trading. I just had a target of $500 every month. I say to myself, if I can make $500 a month, then I can be able to quit my job and go and trade forex full time. Or even if the company closes down, I can go and trade forex full time. That was my desire in the beginning phases of my trading. But this is what happened to me. I started trading forex. I started trading forex with the mentality that trading forex is like going to, let's say, a casino or going to a betting house. Okay, a betting house where you go bet on football, soccer games. Because I used to bet before. Okay, I used to bet on some games before. And I realized that betting is not good. It is really gambling and it's not a good thing for me, my faith and other things. I just didn't feel good with betting. It wasn't really a very good thing for me to do. So when forex trading came into the game, I thought that forex trading would be similar to gambling. Okay. And so I came into forex trading with a desire to quickly succeed and replace my day job. And that was a big mistake. I realized that very late. And that is what caused me a lot of pain. I would take trades, okay? And sometimes I would float huge amounts of money, okay? But I would leave those trades because I wanted to hit my target quickly. I wanted to reach the $500 a month quickly. And so I would leave the trades to float and float and float. And I would end up not even securing any profit. And I go to sleep the next morning. I wake up when the trades have reversed and are now in red. I'm now in a loss. And I would start blaming myself, blaming other people, blaming God, blaming the market. And yet it was solely my mistake of not securing profits. So this continued for a long time until I started trying to practice closing or securing profits. Now, on this channel, I have told you guys about risk to reward ratios and why you should consider taking a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio minimum. Now, that is very good, guys. And I want you to follow that way of trading, okay? And I do trade like that. But in some cases or in some instances in the market, when you see the market has reached near a level of structure and you're still holding a trade, you should at least move your stops to secure some profits, like to a 1-to-1. If you are at a 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 1.8, and the trades are approaching a level of structure, move your stop loss to at least a 1-to-1 so that you secure that profit. Even if the market reverses, at least you gain a 1% if you risk 1%, but don't end up losing everything. If you continue leaving your trades, you're leaving your stop loss just there without adjusting or managing your trades as the trades go into profit, you will not see profit in your account for a very long time. This is probably one of the deepest secrets many traders don't tell you. But moving your stop loss or managing your trade efficiently is the key for you to secure profits and therefore see yourself more profitable. Okay? But if you continue doing like taking trades the way I would take trades, I take trades. I remember there's a time I took a trade. I took several trades, and by the time I was still working a 9 to 5, I took several trades, and then those trades went into profit while I was at work. When I came to check on my phone, I opened up the MT4. I found that those trades were actually moving in deep blues. Okay, they were moving in very good profit, and just at that lunch break, I should have secured that profit. But I say to myself, no, let me leave these trades to go up to the end of the day. When I leave work, then I'll close them out. That was a mistake. And indeed, what happened was there was some news event, a speech by Jeremy Powell, okay, the Fed chairman. I didn't check the calendar. I didn't know that he's going to speak. So when he spoke, something happened which was negative. He said something that was dovish. He said something dovish. He made some dovish statements about the US dollar or about the US economy. All right. And then that caused the dollar to lose value. And yet at the traded NZD USD, USD JPY, and the traded also GBP USD, the currency correlations. And that caused those currencies to completely reverse, go into a serious drawdown, and almost blew my account. But I managed to close off those trades and I secured a very tiny percentage of my account. That thing and several other days or several other times when I was trading taught me to try to secure profits as you trade. My dear traders who are always watching me here on YouTube, I want you to know that I have you at heart and I very much want you to succeed just the way other traders who were with me wanted me to succeed. Okay? I've had other traders who really wanted me to succeed. They wished well for me. And I also want to wish you well. That's why I always bring you this content to motivate you, to help you with your psychology, and help you not to quit forex trading. Because the harsh reality is, if you don't change some of these things, you are going to quit trading. And you're going to quit trading in a painful way while you have left your money on the table. Okay? You've lost, say, $3,000, $4,000. Now you want to quit trading. What about the money you've lost? When will you recover it? Okay? Who are you leaving that money for? It's a painful thing. Every time I receive an email from a trader or a trader sends me a WhatsApp message saying, Matthew, I've tried everything, but it's time for me to call it quits. It breaks my heart to see a trader quitting because it is really not good to leave your money in the market. You need to get your money secured from the FX market and you need to grow the FX market. Guys, I don't want to make this video very long, but if you're still watching up to this time, please guys, try to secure profits and let us all trade profitably, okay? Drop a like on this video, guys. And for those of you who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please help me out by subscribing with the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it goes a long way to show that you really are enjoying the content and you're benefiting from this content. So please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to this channel. Also go join the Telegram groups that I have. I have a free channel and I also have a VIP paid channel, which is $30 a month. You can contact me on WhatsApp if you want to join the VIP channel. And also I did a poll recently. I think I'll put the results up here where I asked you guys to vote which account challenge you want me to do. And the majority of you voted $100 to $1,000. So I am preparing to start that challenge. I will announce that challenge on here and also on my Telegram channels. Thank you guys for your support. And I really wish you guys well. I wish you well. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the end. Thank you so much. And guys, let us grow together. Let us profit together. Bye for now, guys. Peace and out.